Good morning, Miss Zombie. I'm here to serve you.
I want to brush my teeth.
No problem, Miss Zombie. Here you go. I have toothpaste and a golden toothbrush for you.
Are you serious? I'm rich. I don't use regular toothpaste.
No, Miss Zombie. This is golden toothpaste. Let me show you.
Good. Now brush my teeth.
Yes, Miss Zombie. And done. Let me use the towel to clean your teeth. Your teeth look super clean now. What do you want to eat for breakfast?
Breakfast? I don't know. What do you have?
We have Kobe beef from Japan and a giant lobster from the ocean.
Huh? Beef and lobster again? I don't want that. I want a regular breakfast, but make it fancy.
What? Regular food but fancy? Do you like cereal?
Oh, yes, cereal.
Okay, as you wish. Okay, Miss Zombie, let me introduce to you golden cereal and golden milk.
Okay, good. Now feed me.
As you wish. How was it, Miss Zombie? Did it taste good?
It was delicious, Vampire. Here are some diamonds for gratitude. Take as much as you want.
Oh my monster diamonds! I'm gonna be so rich! Oh my monster! I'm rich! I can buy a new house! What? My toothbrush is all worn out and there's no more toothpaste? Are you serious? Come on, toothpaste! Yes, I knew it! I still have toothpaste! This is enough for my teeth! What? Seriously? Oh my monster, I have nothing to eat for breakfast! Just lemon? But I have no money! Maybe I will just eat lemon. Oh my monster, this backpack is so heavy! I have to carry it every day, it's a disaster! Huh? Okay, Miss Zombie, today you're gonna be learning calculus, and this is the answer book that you can use for the rest of the day.
Good, now put it down for me.
Okay, Miss Zombie.
What? Seriously?
Rich Zombie gets everything! I'm broke and I just have a regular textbook! How can I solve all my problems?
Okay, students, open to 567 and answer number 17 for me.
Okay, Miss Zombie, this book will show you exactly how to solve these problems.
Okay.
Oh my monster, this problem is so hard! I hope Professor doesn't call my name!
Alright, who has the answer?
Which zombie knows the answer?
How about you, broke zombie?
Huh? I'm sorry, Professor, I don't know the answer!
Oh, that's disappointing, broke zombie. Go ahead, rich zombie.
Of course, Professor.
Man, I wish I was rich like her.
Alright, students, remember, no cheating in my class. Now begin your exam.
Okay, Professor.
Broke zombie, what are you doing?
Nothing, Professor.
There's no cheating in my class. Give me that.
Man.
Thank you. Vampire, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
I'm Rich Zombie's security guard. I'm not doing anything.
Alright, well, don't help her with her exam.
Okay.
Broke zombie!
What, Professor? Oh, man.
Stand up, broke zombie. Give me all your cheat sheets.
Okay.
Is this all of them?
Yeah.
Hey, Vampire, I need help with this question.
Okay, Miss Zombie, I got you.
Come on, broke zombie. I know you have more.
Oh, that's all I had. Hurry up, Vampire. I need the answers for number 10.
Number 10? It's A.
Huh? Who's that?
Number 11 is C. Professor, I promise I have no more cheat sheets. I give you all of them.
Alright, good, broke zombie.
Okay, Professor, I'm done.
Good job, Rich Zombie. Broke Zombie, you need to be more like Rich Zombie. Learn from her.
What? But she's cheating too. Vampire's helping her.
I was here the whole time.
Just focus on your exam, Broke Zombie. You got 5 more minutes.
Yeah. Hey, thank you, Vampire. I think I got an A.
My pleasure.
Oh, this paint is cute. I was printing this morning. I want 3 of these chips. Oh, these chips is cute too. And this bowl.
Oh, are you ready to check out?
I don't even need to check out. I have a bunch of diamonds.
Diamonds? What do you mean? I have to ring you up. It's my job.
I don't even need to check out. Here are the diamonds. Take as many as you want.
Oh, whoa, diamonds! Oh, you can take everything. Take the whole store. I'm rich.
What just happened? Whatever. Let's go home, vampire.
Oh man, I don't know what to get for dinner. I don't have that much money. The chips are $2.99. Oh, it's so expensive. $11 for Rice Krispies? Oh, I can't afford that. Oh, everything's so much money. Huh? Rice? $49.99? Oh my monster! How can I have enough money to buy rice? Oh, I know. All right, I'm ready to check out.
What are you getting, zombie? You don't have a basket.
What are you talking about? I'm buying this much rice. Here's your money, 50 cents. Here you go.
Hey, Broke Zombie, you opened the rice bag? Oh, my monster. I'm never letting Broke Zombie come here again.
Oh my monster, today's so boring. What am I gonna do? I'll listen to music using my 300-year-old radio. Perfect, this is my favorite song from Frankenstein. Oh, I love his voice so much.
I'm so bored today. What am I gonna do?
Hi, Miss Zombie. What can I do for you today?
I'm so bored. I want to listen to music.
Okay, I'll sing for you.
Okay.
Do, re, mi, fa,
Stop! Your singing is so horrible. I don't want to hear your voice. I just want to listen to the famous singer Frankenstein.
Oh, you want Frankenstein? That's easy.
Oh, what?
I'm your biggest fan.
Huh, Zombie, why am I here?
Well, Zombie wanted to listen to your singing.
Yeah, can you sing for me?
Really? I just finished a shower. Okay, fine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
That was amazing. All right, Frankenstein, here are the diamonds. Take as much as you want.
Really? Diamonds? Oh, okay, I'll sing more for you.
That'll be great.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear zombie. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and click the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.